Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the air quality weather widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on Customize on the left hand side image. Then tap on the widget panel at the bottom here, just below the clock widget. Then in the Add Widgets screen, you want to scroll down and then tap on Weather. Next, swipe across until you see it said Air Quality. Now tap on that to add the Air Quality widget to your widget panel. Now tap on the Close button, then tap on the Close button again to close the Add Widget screen. Then tap on Done. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here you got the air quality index widget on the lock screen. So tap on that, will give you some information. Thank you for watching.